I have Android Diamond 2K car stereo and 9-inch Android car stereo. Today, let's compare the both devices for getting an idea about which one is suitable for you. If you check the back side of the Android 2K unit, you can see this is the wire harness, fuse, and these are audio-video connectors. This device is coming with a cooling fan. This is for GPS antenna, and also this is for FM antenna. If you check the 9-inch Android device, you will see the same wire harness, cable connectors, FM antenna, and GPS connector. But you cannot see the cooling fan. If you close look at the Android 13 car stereo, you can see this mic, reset button, power, home, back, and volume up and volume down button with 9-inch screen. Then in the Android 2K unit, you can see only mic, rest button, and USB Type-C connector. Additionally, you can see physical big knobs. That's the special part of this unit. The Android 2K unit is coming with 10.1-inch display. You can see the sizes of both car stereo like this. Now I will show the first time booting time, but you must remember that this booting time is only for the first time. Once it is connected with the car, the memory wire is always connected with the power. Therefore, the device will boot within a couple of seconds. It takes about 1 minute and 4 seconds to complete the booting. Let's check the 9-inch device as well. Do you know how to connect Android car stereo externally? If you want to know, put in the comments. This device takes about 44 seconds. This is the front appearance of the Android 2K car stereo. This physical knob is for volume controlling, and this is for media controlling next and back buttons. The touch display is working smoothly. Let's go to the settings and find the car stereo details. This unit is with Android 13 operating system. If you set this clock to 1 o'clock, the Android 13 animation will be appeared like this. You can see the interface of FM radio, and this is the sound settings. You can adjust the sound for the best settings. Surround sounds, subwoofer adjustments also there. If you go to car settings, you can see the specification under car settings. This device is 4 GB RAM and 64 GB storage. The memory is very important for car stereo. And the display is 1280 into 720. I will play this video to check the video quality. The video quality is very good for a car stereo system. This section is with the firmware, and you cannot hide or remove by the system. This device has with the Android Auto and CarPlay facility. And also, you can see this fan control app. You can keep the fan always on, or work with T a given temperature, or fan on for a given volume control level, or always off. If you set the volume level like this, you can see the fan on after reaching the given level. This is the 9-inch Android 13 car stereo. Let's check the specifications of this unit. This is the interface of the car stereo. It is very user-friendly, and as you can see, it has a large screen that makes it easy to display and access different functions. If you go to the settings, you can find the Android version. As you can see, you can tap on the Android version and set the clock to 1 o'clock, which means 1300 in the 24-hour format. This confirms that the device is running on the Android 13 operating system. This device is similar to the previous Diamond 2K Android car stereo system. Now, let's go to the car settings. Here you can find options such as General, Display, and Factory settings. You can also find the device information section. As you can see, this Android car stereo has 4 GB of RAM and 64 GB of internal storage. The display size is 9 inches. As I mentioned previously, memory is an important factor in Android car stereo systems. This device has 4 GB of RAM, which allows you to run applications smoothly. You can also see the apps that are already installed on the device. If you go to the themes section, you can find many pre-installed themes available to customize the appearance of the system. The 3D facility was not available on the previous Diamond 2K Android car stereo system. Now, let's look at some other important features, such as the radio. The radio interface looks like this. There are also more settings available, allowing you to adjust and control different functions of the car stereo. This is the FM radio section, where you can search for and select different radio channels. Next, this is the sound section. Here you can adjust the sound settings and access various audio features available on the system. These are some of the important features and specifications of this Android 13 9-inch car stereo system. I will make separate detailed videos explaining both of these systems, including their other features and settings. Okay, let me know. Which is your choice, Diamond 2K unit or Android 13 9-inch car stereo? Put your comment. Hi friend, you don't have to spend any money to support me. Subscribing is completely free, but your subscription means the world to me and helps this channel grow. So if you enjoy my videos, please click the subscribe button and join our community. Thank you for your support.